You know how it goes. You're in the heat of the competition. Your robot's on the field. The clock is ticking. Every second counts. So, how do you squeeze out more points out of your robot runs? We started with a simple attachment with a one-way opening to collect the coral. Next, we built an arm to hang the coral, as well as collect the scuba diver. We then built a mechanism that flips the coral buds, allowing us to complete 3 missions in 10 seconds. But then we thought, could we use this same attachment for another run? By adding 2 more features on this frame, ensuring it didn't interfere with the first mission, we can now complete 3 more missions. This robot delivers the diver, flips up the coral off the mat and releases the shark. This strategy allows you to save valuable seconds as switching attachments takes time. Also, you'll be using fewer Lego pieces overall, which will help you with the 20-point inspection bonus. Multi-use attachments aren't just clever, they're a game changer. By thinking creatively about how you can combine missions, you'll boost your efficiency and score. Remember, in First LEGO League, innovation is key. Keep experimenting and happy building.